What if I told you there's a role that blends leadership, strategy, and creativity? A role where every decision you make drives results, shapes teams, and transforms ideas into reality. Welcome to the world of project management, where vision meets execution. Today, we'll unveil the ultimate roadmap to becoming a project manager, guiding you from a curious beginner to an expert leader in this ever-evolving field. Phase 1. Foundational knowledge, 3 to 6 months. Every great journey begins with the basics. In Phase 1, we lay the foundation of your project management expertise. Start with the essentials. Understand the project lifecycle, from initiation to closure. Dive into methodologies like Waterfall, Agile, Scrum, and Kanban. Master key concepts like scope, cost, quality, and risk management. Then, build your toolkit with skills that set leaders apart. Hone your communication, leadership, and problem-solving abilities. Get hands-on with tools like Trello, Jira, and Gantt Charts. But here's the secret. Project management isn't just about tools or processes. It's about mindset. It's about turning chaos into clarity. Phase 2. Intermediate level, 6 to 12 months. Now it's time to step out of the classroom and into the real world. Start small. Volunteer on projects or manage a personal endeavor, like organizing a charity event or renovating a space. Take on internships or entry-level roles, like project coordinator or assistant project manager. Develop advanced skills. Learn the art of risk management and budgeting. Master stakeholder communication, building trust and aligning everyone towards success. Ready for the next milestone? Earn certifications like PMP or CAPM, your ticket to credibility in the industry. Phase 3. Specialization and expertise, 12+ months. Phase 3 is where you define your niche and refine your expertise. Whether it's IT, construction, or marketing, specialize in an industry that excites you. Every field needs skilled project managers. Seek mentorship, build your leadership skills, and network with industry professionals. Remember, the best leaders never stop learning. The roles and responsibilities of a project manager. Your journey starts as a project coordinator and evolves to roles like senior project manager or even program manager. Each step brings new challenges and opportunities to lead with impact. The keys to success. To succeed, remember these principles. 1. Continuous learning. Stay updated with trends and tools. 2. Practical experience. Embrace every project as a chance to grow. 3. Networking. Build meaningful connections within the industry. 4. Leadership development. Strong teams need strong leaders. Your roadmap to becoming a project manager isn't just a career. It's a journey of growth, impact, and endless possibilities. If you're ready to start, hit subscribe and join imagidnation. Together, we'll turn your ambitions into achievements.